All right. Hi there. And welcome, one and all, to Curing Crack Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Steven, sometimes mispronounced Steve, but that's okay. People can call me Steve. So I got a new tool in the back that I'm really excited about, and I thought, I'd share a little bit about it today. We'll see how this works, try to do a little video tour on our way back to see this nifty little gadget. We'll see. Maybe I'll have to flip the screen, or well, I don't know. We'll play it later. So let me show you around the office here. Okay, this is gonna be. It might be a little tough. No, we'll get that. We'll get that to the front door there. Oh, coming all the way around. Okay, go back down there in a minute. Oh, that's a nice television set. Yeah. Printer. Oh, and the command center. Oh, it's fabulous. It's fabulous. Oh, I got my. All right, so I'm not much of a believer in the supplementation, but this Fairlife protein shake or drink is fantastic. Milk is good. The chocolate makes it yummy, and there's 30 grams of protein per bottle, and it's only 150 calories. So you can't beat that. All right, come on back. So we go down this corridor here, and just right off to the left we have our first room, and that's of course our rehab facility. Oh yes, this is fantastic, and I'll be doing DOT physicals in here. Yep, squat rack, of course, you have to have that. Neuromuscular stimulation. Yep, that's sweet. And look at it's a beautiful thing. Dumbbells and fat bells. Gorgeous. Body tempering tools. All right. Moving on to one of my favorite rooms in the building here. Oh, the adjusting room. It's beautiful. And check it out. I got my practice dummy right there in the corner so I can drill adjusting, techniques when I'm not busy, which is often right now. Okay, so I won't show you the bathroom, but it's, a bathroom. We come back in here, and this is where my nifty gadget is, in this little storage closet here. And let's see. Oh, maybe I'm gonna flip the screen. We'll try this. Oh, that's gonna be so much better. Okay, check it out. Yeah, that's right. My McKesson 120 urine chemistry analyzer. It's beautiful. So what this does is it's going to help me read these urine strips for the fast urine test for the DOT physicals that we're offering to CMV drivers and that. Okay, so I'd just like to thank Palmer College for providing the medical instruction that has expanded our scope of practice so that we can perform DOT physicals. It's a wonderful thing. Okay, so back to my nifty machine here. So I started out with these little test strips, and I was just going to do it, the manual way. You take your strip and you dip it in the urine, you wait a minute, and then you compare the little colored squares in the test strip to the squares in the bottle. And if a chemical reaction occurs in the test strip, of course they change color, and then you try to match the color on the strip to the color on the bottle, and then when you do, that numeric number there is the value that you put in the DOT medical report form. And I just feel like, I don't know, trying to determine if it matches this one more, or that one more, or that one more, is kind of subjective, especially when I want to put an objective number down. So I thought, let's take some of the guesswork out of this and buy this nifty machine right here. And it is sweet. And it makes a little printout with all my numbers on it. Fabulous. So I'm ready to test some urine. If you need a DOT physical, stop into Curing Crack Chiropractic and see me, Dr. Steven, and we'll get you taken care of. All right, guys, thanks for listening. Appreciate your time. We'll see you around.